My name is Fred, and on my planet, nothing interesting ever happens until one day I found a box with wheels that came from a planet bursting with color. So I decided to come see if it was true. And I found things I never could have imagined. They have something they call food. Comes in every color, every shape, every texture. Where I'm from, we just survive eating rocks. The creatures that live here, every single one of them is different. Their bodies, their skin, even the things they put on to cover themselves. On my planet, that would be impossible. We're all the same. And there's more. Almost this entire planet is covered in a clear liquid. Sometimes it's salty, sometimes it's sweet. They drink it, even falls from the sky. And to them, it's just normal. They make sounds with their voices and with strange objects, and they call it music. And there are places I wouldn't even know how to name. Some burn you, some freeze you. No two are ever alike. And the most incredible thing, they're a miracle. Nowhere else in the universe does this exist. Honestly, I only came here to visit. But I'm moving in. This planet is incredible.